listen to what the employees of the cleaning pros themselves have to say about it.
So we're here with Mandy now. I'm extremely excited to be interviewing Mandy. And she's a brand new employee who has never cleaned a house in her life.
Nope, never. Only my own. So it made it a lot easier.
You are interesting in that you've had several jobs and never applied for a cleaning job.
Correct.
So I asked you, after all these things you've tried and not like fast food and other things, why didn't you ever apply for a cleaning job?
Honestly, I never applied because I didn't really think they would hire me. A lot of times I see, well, some of them will say experience only, or they won't say anything, and honestly, I just assumed it would be experienced. This one, I wouldn't have applied if it hadn't said no experience, but no experience needed or no experience necessary. We provide full training. If it hadn't said that, I would not even have picked up the phone.
So had we said no experience but not said full training, would you have applied?
I probably would, because I'm a fast learner. I pick things up quickly. I probably would, but I could see where a lot of people would not have, that maybe wouldn't have been as confident. And I really, you would think, why wouldn't I have tried this? I wish I would have all this time. I wish I would have. But yeah, definitely, if it hadn't said no experience necessary, I wouldn't even call it. Because I figured, in the past, I just assumed they would say, oh, this person is experienced, this person doesn't, so.
Why not hire the experience?
Right.
Now, why would you work here instead of fast food?
Me personally, I would work here, and I've done a lot of food. Honestly, you don't have to while you're dealing with people, yes, you don't have to deal with the same types of people-related issues that you do in fast food. And you can get really burnt out on it. Yeah, it's sweaty work, and it can be hard as far as physical. But honestly, it's a lot less stressful than working in fast food when it's crazy busy and, the people that come in there. I feel like this is better. I mean, yeah, I'm moving, I'm active, which is why I like, with fast food is great. But it's a lot less stressful. I don't have to deal so much with the public, which is nice. I do like people, but you can get really burnt out in there. The pay is definitely better here. And the other thing that for me was the biggest selling point of all, honestly, was the fact that I can get hours. The biggest problem in fast food is you're going to get 25 hours. They want you to be flexible, which means you can't work anywhere else. And nobody can live on that. So that right there was a major selling point. And I feel like, it's the type of job, if I do a good job, eventually I can be a lead, and I can move up and you get raises. So I would definitely, anybody that's in fast food, that's been in fast food, especially, I'm 37 years old. So that's another reason why I kind of don't want to do fast food. You got a lot of young people, and it's, yeah, you're sweaty, but you also stink like grease and French fries and stuff. But no, it's just better all the way around. The company itself, I don't know about other cleaning companies, but the company itself seems to care more about the employee as opposed to, fast food.
How long have you been here?
About 8 months.
About 8 months, okay?
Every person. Yeah.
And then let's talk about the cleaning industry. So I've talked to a couple people here. Why this instead of fast food?
I just enjoy it. And I don't have nearly so many people that I have to deal with every day. I can go in a home and clean, and sometimes there's a family there, sometimes nobody's home at all. But we can just go in and do it. Okay. And we can just go in and do what we need to do and clean without everybody. I don't know how to say that.
No, And now let's talk about cleaning for just 1 second. Why this instead of fast food?
17 years at Waffle House. That says it all in one in a nutshell. Yeah. They're both kind of the same. Food is a little more demanding right then and there. a lot. This is like you go out, you're kind of on your own for the day. You don't have people breathing down your neck, and you know, I really don't know, because they're both, one's just as hard as the other, I think.
Physically.
But yeah, and the hours helps, the weekends off helps. I
Okay.
don't know, and just to leave a house in a beautiful shape is satisfying in some way.
Very good. Sandy, why cleaning instead of fast food? Or retail?
Ooh, I think retail was more tough than this cleaning. And as Renee put it, I like the customer satisfaction. I mean, you don't have to go out shopping every day. People need a clean house. And if they can pay a company to come in and clean it for them, they have more time to go to retail and spend that money. But like Renee said, it's satisfaction. It's knowing, wow, look how clean this house looks. I would rather do that. Like Renee said, too, hours are so much better. I get my weekends free. I like that. So,
Good.
and cleaning to me just makes it, I don't know, I think we have 99% of our customers that really appreciate us. And they just need that extra help to keep their house in shape. And it gives us satisfaction knowing, oh, look what we did. The customer's very happy.
Nice.